afternoon, everybody. How are you all doing? Right, I was going to go up to Scotland today, but the wind's got up really bad, as you can see a tree behind me. So I've changed my mind. It's an old, I don't know really what it is. It's an old building in the middle of the forest. Looks like an old farm. So I'm going to go and look at that instead. I think it'll be a bit more interesting. So it'll be some forest riding. Don't know what the track's like, but we'll see when we get there. I'll just show you this bus shelter. It's got a little library in it. There's children's books down there. And you got the village notice boards in here, so everybody knows what's going on. Then you got the adult section there, look. We have all these, we have a lot of these bus shelters and stuff in Cumbria, and I suppose they have them dotted all over the country. Sometimes they use old telephone boxes and stuff to do the same thing. I think it's a brilliant idea. Right, I'm going to carry on and we'll see if I can find this farm or cottage in the middle of the woods. Right, I'll catch you further up the road. Bye for now. Good afternoon, everybody. Right, like I said before when I was down in the bus shelter, I was going to go up to Scotland today, but the wind got up. It's actually died off a bit now. Anyway, at the place, well, not at the house in the woods, but we're going to go up and see if we can find it. It's a bit difficult. Where's the keys for the bike? Oh, there they are. Yeah, it's a bit difficult to get to. Now, there's a sign there and it doesn't say anything about no motor vehicles. Because I've read it. It says respect the forest, so it doesn't say anything about not going out there on a bike. So we'll go and see if we can find this place. There's a tree there with tiny little crab apples on it. Be ideal for making crab apple jelly jam. Anyway, right, let's go. So I've just come off the bitumen, crossing a ford. Been wanting to come up here for ages. So I thought instead of going up to Scotland, we'll come up here instead. Wow, it's pretty in here. It's lovely. Quite a few trees down. Look at the moss growing on these trees. Wow. Oh, I'm going to have to take a photograph. Well, I'm coming back this way, so that is amazing. Look at the moss. Looks creepy. Wouldn't like to come in here at night time. I love riding these forest tracks. I find them very interesting. There's an intersection. Now, which way do I go? It's down here. No one's been down here. Doesn't look like it. I think this is the way. Yeah, no one's been down here. I hope this is the way and not that other track. I think this is the end. Yeah. The end. Wait a minute, let's have a look. Down there. Yeah, we want to be over that way. Because there has been traffic down here. Now it's to the down here. It's not. I'm not far away from it. I think. Yes, it is. There it is. There's the house. Does anybody live there? No, it is abandoned. Where can I hide the bike? I need to hide the bike. Where can I put the bike? Need to put the bike somewhere. Doesn't look like anybody's been up here today, so park the bike up here and walk down. Yeah, these are old tyre tracks. Yeah, I can park here. Hide the bike there. Alright, I'm going to turn this off. I'll come back when I get there. I'll put this on record now. This is the bridge I've crossed. In case somebody comes, I'd rather have the camera recording. The cottage is on the other side of that bridge. Just listening out for vehicles. Definitely been traffic through here today. Blowing my hat off. Record on the way back as well, just in case I get spotted. How do I get around to it? Here. I love finding places like this. So the door's open. Wow, what a place to live. Well, if you could live here. Lovely stream. Probably got fish in it. think it's been an old farm. I hope the door's open. CCTV cameras in operation. Locked. What a pooper. Cameras in operation. Where? Not really cameras. It's locked. Damn it, I must use it as a store. God damn it. I was really hoping that's going to be open. Someone's been here. They've had a fire. Lots of gas camping bottles. In the shed. Firewood. Bits and bobs. Some cutlery. Cheese grater. There's an owl box up there. Or a bird box of some sort. The main house is locked. Yeah, that's locked as well. Little outhouses. It's got a fireplace in. Bags of stuff. Don't know what they are. Could be solar panels. So that's it. We can't get in. I'm just listening out for vehicles. I thought I heard something. I'll go out this way. Right. Let's get back to the bike. I'll catch you a bit later. Yeah, it's a pity the doors were locked and stuff. Never mind. Another explore ticked off my list. Bye-bye cottage in the woods. If you ever do come on these forest tracks, be very careful of logging wagons, because they won't be expecting somebody on a bike coming down the road. Because I used to work in the Forestry Commission, so I know all these tracks, most of them around this area. But this one, it's the first time I've been up it. But a lot of the other ones around Kield area, I used to do a lot of bike riding on them when I was a bit younger. Here, we're nearly back up the road. Wow, that wind's getting strong. On this side. There's the road at the bottom. That was open when I came in. Oh, don't tell me I have to go back the other way. Oh, blast. Can I get the bike through there? Yeah, I'm going to go down in that ditch. I might have to walk it out. I'll try it. What's the worst that can happen? Ugh. There we go. Oh. Picked up a bit of grass, bit of mud. Yeah, that's the way to do it. I know I'm mad. Oh, grief. I know I'm a loony. Yeah, they must have gone home. Probably didn't have anything to worry about. They'd locked the gate. Right, we'll leave that there. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, a comment, a like, and all that stuff. And we'll catch you later on another exciting trip. Bye for now.